Hi there, it's Dan from UK Moneyman, and I'm here today to talk about insurance for the over 60s. So life insurance for the over 60s can be a bit of a tricky subject. As we get older, there's more likely to have illnesses and ailments that can impact on your insurance premiums for life insurance. Still a really important thing for you to consider. We've got specialists who can look at helping you to find an affordable premium for the cover that you need. But when we're talking about life insurance for the over 60s, I think there are two real points to consider. One is, are we covering a debt? So are we covering a mortgage? And if so, can we cover the whole debt? Can we cover all of the mortgage so it's completely paid off in the event of your death? And also, especially with couples, do we need to make provision to provide some income through life insurance? So a lot of people enter into retirement, they have the initial income shock of going from earned income, maybe a joint good earned income, to going on to a reduced pension income. Now, often that still provides a decent standard of living, but it is important to have a look at your commitments and to think about what the lowest income would be between the two of you if you are borrowing as a couple, if one of you dies. So there might be spouse benefits from pensions, things like that can help out with income, but what you may find is that you need to put in place a provision to make sure that your partner or anyone else that you live with doesn't have to necessarily sell the house immediately in the event of a death. Maybe look at the cost of living, your monthly outgoings, things like that. But it's a process that's as individual as you are. It's something that we will talk to you about in detail when we're looking at planning for mortgages in retirement, even if it's looking at equity release, like lifetime mortgages. So talk to us, think about what your situation is, and have a look and see what your income is really going to be in the future.